Hey guys, so today is day 3 for the Beautymas series here on my YouTube channel. So this is probably 3 days after my cleaning video, or filming the cleaning video. Now we are going to start decorating my room. I'm so excited. This is probably my favorite type of video to film when doing my Beautymas series for the month of December. So the first step is to just start kind of picking things up, since my room in the past 3 days has gotten just a little bit dirty, not too much, but I'm just going to pick up things and kind of wipe things down as well, like we did in the Clean With Me video. So let's get started. Okay, now that all of the little cleaning that I need to do is done, I am now going to put away things that I don't want with the decorations. So meaning like my everyday candles, some little like, not knickknacks, but like, I don't know, figurines that I have, I'm going to be putting away as well. I think this is cute. I'm going to keep this out because it's a Christmas Barbie ornament. And I think it's so adorable, but I don't know where to put it yet. So I'm just going to put it right here for now. I don't know if it's going to stay there. Okay, I think we are ready to start decorating. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put all of my Christmas decorations on my bed, and then we can sort out where I want everything to go. So this is all the decorations. I can't believe I didn't realize how much I have already. It's crazy. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to stage it in different areas, see if I like it or not. I don't know yet, but okay. I think I'm going to start on the table, like putting this tree on the table for a centerpiece. I think that. Okay, so last year I had this kind of like wrapped around my table, and I think this year I'm going to be putting it up kind of like above my window. I think that will look kind of like snow. I think that will look really cute. So anyway, I'm going to put this blanket on the ottoman. I think that would look really cute. So I also have this blanket that I just got from Target yesterday, and I want to open it on camera because I haven't seen what it looks like. I mean, I did see it on the picture here, but I'm going to open it on camera. Ooh, it's so soft. I love it. I'm probably not going to get it in the frame, but this is what it looks like. It's so nice. I love it. I think I want to keep it on my bed just as like a throw blanket, so I'm gonna fold it. Okay, so next I have these 2 pillows. I'm gonna actually cut off, well, there is a tag on this one. Okay, so I want this pillow to be on my bed, kind of like maybe here. I don't know yet, I haven't decided. I'm gonna decide once the bed is completely cleared with all the directions, all the decorations. And then this one, I'm gonna put on that chair. Okay, now we're gonna work a little bit on one of these shelves for my little nativity scene area. I'm trying to get this. Okay, there we go. So I just have everything staged right now. I don't know if I want to use this tree or not. Now we're gonna put some candles around my room. I don't know where I want to put. Maybe actually. So I thought this candle that I got from Bath and Body Works. This is winter. I'm just going to put it up here. I think that would look cute. And then this one that I got from Target, I absolutely love it. And there's like gel all around it. It feels like gel. I don't even know what it, or like silicone or something. And I think that's so cute. So I'm gonna put that one. I think I want to put it here. I think that would, oops. I'm going to put it here. That would be the best place for it, I think. And then I have like this snowman one. and this almost used frosted cranberry one that I want to put out somewhere. Okay, now with the Christmas decoration that I'm struggling to put the most, like I don't know where to put it. I think maybe here. So what this is Away in a Manger. It's like the music sheet, or like the music with it, and then there's a nativity scene in the background. I think I'm gonna put it up here. I really don't know, I'm struggling. Found a spot, oops. Found a spot for it. It was like the obvious choice. I didn't realize that until I was over here trying to figure out where to put it. This might be the best spot for it right now. Okay, in this little nook area, I'm going to put a hot chocolate bar. I'm so excited. This is probably the other favorite part of decorating for Christmas for me. This is the first year I'm doing it, and I think it's gonna be really, really cool. So I thought I would put like these little wallflower things. I have two of them that I'm gonna be putting. This one's gonna go here. And then I have another one that's gonna go right there. And I don't have everything for my hot chocolate bar yet, but I'm gonna put maybe two things that I do have that I'm going to set out right now. Maybe three actually. Okay, the first thing that I have is I have this little tree container thing that I got at Target yesterday. I think it's so cute. I think this is I'm gonna use this for the hot chocolate powder. That's gonna go in this. And then this is another container for other ingredients that I'm gonna be putting for the hot chocolate bar. And then, okay, so I had this as my Christmas countdown thing, but I'm actually gonna use something else for that this year. So instead I'm gonna put hot chocolate bar on this. I think that'll look really cute. Okay, so the hot chocolate bar sign is done. I think that's so cute. It's gonna go here. So I'm gonna put this as the bottom part of it, and then I'm gonna get a tray. This is what I had in mind for a tray. I don't know if this is gonna work yet, but I think that's gonna be kind of cute. Now it's time to do the garland. I have two sets of each. I don't know where to put them yet. I don't know. So I know where I want one of the garlands. Okay, putting up the garland took about more than 30 minutes, but it's up. I think it looks amazing. I'm gonna show you guys. It just looks so cute. I absolutely love it. So now it's time to work on the last thing. I'm gonna do the complete the hot chocolate bar now. Before filming, I did wash the two containers so they're nice and ready. First, we're gonna put some festive sprinkles. I don't know if I wanted to do sprinkles for the hot chocolate bar, but I think I'm gonna do it anyway. I forgot, but we also had two more boxes from a friend that you look through. Okay, so we had the hot chocolate bar almost done. So I just made some homemade hot chocolate mix, and I put it in the little tree jar thing. Okay, so I went to Walmart earlier to get some more stuff for my hot chocolate bar. decided on to put what we're in for the Christmas village or nativity scene. I decided to put up what's in this black box. I should like take everything out and see if I like it or not though. I forgot to do another outro for this video, so I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun decorating my room for Christmas. The hot chocolate bar turned out so cool. I absolutely love it. I make a hot chocolate every morning since then. And I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys tomorrow for day 4. Bye!